Hi guys, welcome to Zealous Academy's time management module. My name is Manoj. I'm a full-time banker. I'm the host of the Rare Earth podcast, and I'm a full-time father, husband, and I'm a fitness enthusiast. So this time management module is really going to tell you how to really optimize your time, how to be effective with time. And if you're watching this video and you don't have the time to watch this video, then definitely you must actually listen to the whole program, because we're going to run on some key concepts, some core principles which will actually enable you to be an effective time manager. Okay. Speaking a little about my background, I grew up in a very military environment. My dad was in the defense. So I was I was required to get up at 5 in the morning, make my own bed, clear up everything around my house, go for my jog. So my life, from a very early stage was very regimented. I had a very systematic approach to life, and I'm really grateful to my dad, because initially I really was not such a fan of that kind of a life. But today I'm really grateful because a lot of those good habits has helped me be more organized, be more effective with time management. Okay, so when people really ask me, how do you really manage with a full-time job? How do you really produce content for podcast, and you do this YouTube videos, and how are you spending time with your family? Well, I don't know. I don't have a straightforward answer. Probably the way I was brought up, probably some of the habits that I acquired early on has helped me. Okay, and to be honest, while I was doing the research to do a little bit of session on this time management, I found out that there are so many variety of ideas and approaches for time management. Okay, so what I will be presenting to you is not something which is new. It has been there. It has been spoken by some of the best people out there. Okay, so what I'm presenting you is like a buffet. Okay, pick the ideas which really work for you. There are some core principles which is universal in nature. So once you become aware of that, it really helps you to have a different mind shift. Okay, so there is no one size fits all approach. Okay, so what works for me may not work for you. Okay, but just pay attention to the whole module, and what if there is one or two ideas which really could be a game changer for you. Okay, so that's what I would invite and suggest you pay attention to. Okay, so I happen to attend a very interesting time management seminar, online workshop, which was hosted by Ankur Warikoo. He's a brilliant guy. He's put in a lot of content out there, and his time management principle workshop was phenomenal. So some of these ideas that I'm going to share with you is actually learned from that workshop. Okay, and before we get on to the three core ideas, okay, there is one interesting visualization exercise that I would invite you to consider. Okay, just imagine that I give you a glass tank. Okay, a decent sized glass tank, typically what you have like for an aquarium, like a glass tank. And if I were to ask you to fill it with some rocks, okay, place them inside, then add few pebbles to it. Okay, so you add some pebbles. Then I ask you to add some sand to it. Maybe you add a bucket of sand to it. Okay, so sand gets filled in between the pebbles and the rocks. Then I ask you to fill it with all the way till water, all the way to the top. Okay, so you put another bucket of water and you fill it till the top. Okay, now your tank, your glass tank is full, right? Now let's do another experiment where I give you the same glass tank and I ask you to fill it with water all the way to the top. Okay, so you pour a bucket of water, fill it up all the way to the top. Now if I ask you to add some rocks or some pebbles, what do you think is going to happen? Obviously water is going to displace, it's going to fall out. Okay, so the key principle here is, what are the important things or those aspects of your life which are the big rocks or the pebbles? They are the ones which are your big priority items. So if you learn to prioritize your big items or the most important items, then the rest of the things can be filled in your life. But if your life is really filled with all the things is just like water, which are unimportant and some things which is not of meaningful value to your life, then you will not have time, you will not have time for important things in your life. Okay, so if you are somebody who has been struggling, you really do not have the time, the energy to do those things which are meaningful for you, then this program is really gonna be a game changer for you. Okay, so I'm gonna run you through three concepts in my next series of videos. Okay, I'm gonna just introduce them to you right now. The first one is time is an allocation. Time is allocation. Okay, the second core idea that I want to present is time is energy. And the third important idea that I want to present is time is money. Okay? And if you have heard any of these ideas somewhere else, I understand that. All of us have heard of different ideas. But what I will be doing in the next video is go a little deeper and help you get an idea of how you really can take those ideas, not only from this video, but start implementing in your life. Okay, I'll see you on the other side of the video. And if you really like this video and you like the content that the Zealous Academy is putting across, click on like, click on subscribe, click on that bell icon. I'll see you on the other side of the video.